Think cryotherapy chambers are the best way to recover? The real benefits might be hiding in your bathtub. Most people pay for expensive cryotherapy sessions, thinking colder is always better. But studies show that full-body cold water immersion, aka cold plunging, may trigger stronger physiological responses for recovery, fat loss, and mood. Cold plunging activates the vagus nerve, increases dopamine by up to 250%, and reduces inflammation by promoting norepinephrine release. Unlike cryotherapy, which cools the surface, plunges cool your core, leading to more systemic effects. Research suggests 11 minutes per week, broken into 2 to 4 sessions, offers optimal results. Do it. Fill your bathtub or a barrel with cold tap water and ice, 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Start with 1 to 2 minutes, gradually increase to 3 to 5. Focus on calm breathing to control your stress response. Do it post-workout or first thing in the morning for best results. Here's the twist. Cold plunges don't just help recovery, they train your nervous system for real-world stress. Save this video and tag someone still paying $50 for a cryo chamber session. DIY links are in the description.